As a bonus video, I'm just going to show you how to create an executable, so how to distribute your game written in Lua and Love2d. But before I continue, I just created a GitHub repository for my minigames, and I already uploaded the snake game. Also, I have here my previous videos from the Breakout and Arkanoid, which was written in Python, Pyglet and PyMonk, and I also uploaded here my Space Invaders written in Python and Pyglet. So here you can find the snake game and all the free files, the configuration.lua, the game.lua and the main.lua. So I'm going to put a link to this repository into the description of this video. So now let's go back to Love2d.org and open up the wiki. And here on the main page you can find this game distribution. So click on this, it opens up this page and it shows you how to create an executable from your Love2d game. So I'm on Windows. So first you need to zip your files. So I'm going to do that. Here in this folder I have all three files: the configuration.lua, the game.lua and the main.lua, and I'm going to select all and send to a compressed zip folder. And I'm going to rename this zipped folder to snake.zip. Okay, so all of these three files you need to compress into one zip folder. Then you need to run this command in your command prompt or PowerShell. So I'm going to open here a command prompt, so shift and right click and open command window here, and here copy /b the Lua, or the Love, not the Lua but the Love executable plus the name of the zip file, so which is snake.zip, and the name of the exe file which will be generated. So here I prepared a txt file with the instructions. So we are already compressed the files into snake.zip. Now run the following command. So copy /b, and my Love executable is in the C users.txt documents dev lua love2d blah 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 love exe, and so this points to this folder, documents dev love2d and the Love executable. So in order to actually create or generate the executable, we need this file, this love.exe. So that's why I'm pointing here to the path to love.exe. And then I'm adding to it the snake.zip we just created a few minutes before, and it will create a snake.exe. So now I'm going to copy all of these, and I just closed the command window, so I need to reopen it, and I'm going to paste here this command, and now let's run it, and it says one file copied. So here it is snake.exe. So if you did so far, you don't need the snake.zip and the Lua files, you just need the snake.exe and also all the DLL files from the Love folder. So I'm going to just select the Love2d, the Lua 5.1, the DLL, and all of these DLL files, the SDL to the DLL, and copy them. Copy. I can close this and just paste them here. And now we should be able to run the game. And yes, it runs. Of course, if you want to create a new icon instead of this love symbol, you can use, if you go to the Love2d's game distribution page, here they recommend Windows icon. You can use your own icon images using tools like, for example, the freeware resource hacker. So with using the resource hacker, you can change the icon to your own. So now if you create a game in Love and Lua, you can package it like this, like I showed you, and you can send it to your friends and they will be able to run just by double clicking.